Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms that helps me to make about $10,000 a month. I currently manage several sites and I have had success with both e-commerce stores and content-based affiliate sites. Not too long ago, I also ventured into selling my own digital products online, and that's where I first started using the platform. Let's not waste any time and let's get started right now.
Payhip is a hosted e-commerce platform that lets you start selling for almost free. You can hold promotions, you can track your sales. Payhip is an online store builder. This means Payhip is hosting your showcase. You do not operate the e-commerce server or software. What's more, you don't need to pay for hosting in the free plan. Go to Payhip. Create a free account with an email address and password. Add your first product. You can customize your store, add your payment method, and start selling. After you create a free account, you can start selling your products on a hosted storefront. But that's not all. You can also sell on social media and websites. You can place a checkout or cart on your preferred sales channel and sell products. Payhip also allows you to embed a product page on your website instead of adding a buy button if you prefer. There is seamless integration between Payhip and these sales channels. Payhip enables fast payment on desktop or mobile devices. After a successful sale, your customers can download digital products immediately. Payhip also sends download information via email. Payhip supports PayPal and all other major cards for processing payments. In addition, you can accept several different currencies at the Payhip store. You can even choose the number of download attempts. By default, Payhip allows 3 downloads for each digital product. If you sell software licenses, Payhip can generate, store, and issue software keys for you. What's more, Payhip can handle your EU VAT calculations by itself. You can customize the color and logo according to your brand. You can change the color and borders of the buy buttons and the cart buttons. You can set a background image for the storefront. Payhip's design editor also lets you set the background color of the showcase. You can upload a profile photo of your store, add a short bio for your store, add social media links to your Payhip store. If you know CSS, you can control more of the visual aspects of your store. You will receive basic but reliable analytics to track traffic to your store. Connect Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel to your Payhip store for detailed analytics. Moreover, you can create letter templates, change the subject and message of the email sent to your customers. This shouldn't be a hindrance if you are building your online store as part of a larger main platform like a blog. It also works if you want to sell on social media. But if you are looking to build an e-commerce brand, Payhip is not for you. You must take note of this severe Payhip limitation before registering with Payhip. If you are planning to sell memberships on your website, Payhip might be a good option. You can set up different plans for your subscribers, including free trials. You can even sell exclusive content to your members. Affiliate programs can be a huge source of traffic or income for your online store. For this reason, affiliate programs should be part of your marketing strategy. It's great to know that Payhip offers the option of building your affiliate network. Affiliate management is available even to free users. Decide what commission you want to offer your affiliates for successful referrals. The biggest benefit of using Podia is that you have one showcase where you can host all of your digital downloads, courses, and products and your membership site. This is the main feature that sets Podia apart from the competition. With Podia, all of your digital products, whether paid or free, can be stored in one place. If you want to create an exclusive membership for your VIP clients, you can create a beautiful membership Even if you don't know anything about programming, you can then download all kinds of media to offer to your attendees, including MP3, PDF, and video. Additionally, your members can chat with administrators or other members. Please note that you need to be connected to your Stripe account to use this feature. Podia allows you to create as many courses as you want for as many students as possible, and there is no limit to the number of sales you can make. There is a built-in sales page where you can offer coupons and collect payments. There is also a pre-launch page where you can promote courses prior to launch and collect interested students' email addresses. You can also use email marketing to connect with customers who download or purchase a product, or keep in touch with members by sending emails and including audio, image, or video updates, or send free downloads to improve their experience. The emails you send may include your brand, and you can choose to send the email automatically or manually. You can also contact your customers when there is an update for the product they have purchased. Email marketing is integrated into all modules of your products, making it easy to collect email addresses from interested potential customers or your current users. You can place consent forms on the storefront and on pre-launch pages. You can create a basic newsletter, but there are many limitations when it comes to formatting. Podia email marketing is primarily designed to advertise downloads, courses, and memberships, so it cannot completely replace your current email process. Podia's email tracking system collects information about the number of openings, clicks, and unsubscriptions, so you can get an idea of how effective your emails are. Signing up for a 14-day free trial is easy. You enter your name and email address and then tell Podia if this is your first time selling digital products. You can even skip this if you want by clicking the Stop Questions, Let Me In link. On the platform dashboard, I was presented with 3 options for creating my first digital product. I chose Digital Download. Then I was asked what product I want to create. I selected Digital Download and filled in the product name and storefront description fields. I was taken to the next screen where I could add a section or files. I figured it was easy enough. You upload your content, so I decided to click the other tabs at the top of the page. From the pricing page, I can set up my currency, set up how online payments are accepted, create a student payment plan option, add additional sales, and create coupons. On the customers page, you will find information about your customers, including who made purchases, who made free purchases, and who subscribed to your mailing list. Finding the right e-commerce platform for digital products is difficult for some reason. Big brands seem to be geared more towards physical products, with some digital offerings packaged in them. SendOwl is an online platform where you can easily and inexpensively set up a store and start selling digital products and services. SendOwl lets you quickly start a process by making it as close to one click as you can get. SendOwl
To
has
sell
a
a product
fast
with
launch,
SendOwl,
and you
click
can create
Products in the
sites for
sidebar
digital
and then click
items,
Add
membership,
Product. Of the
subscription,
options, select
and group
Product,
content.
enter the name and price,
Software, subscriptions,
and attach the
ebooks,
file.
video,
When
video
ready,
games,
click
comics,
Create Product.
music,
You'll be taken to the
magazines,
buttons page
audio
where you are
tracks,
immediately given
license
the
keys.
code and buttons
In
to
addition,
start selling
while
your
they
product.
primarily
And that's
identify
all you need to
themselves
start
as a
selling with
platform
SendOwl.
for selling digital goods, they also support the sale of tangible products. This check only takes
On
time
our
to
example
set up, and
storefronts,
it
the buyer
all comes
clicks Buy
together
Now,
as a nice package
enters their email
after
address,
you've downloaded multiple products.
their
SendOwl
card
then
number,
offers several options for sharing your product
the
page
expiry
with
date,
customers
and the
on
security
social
code,
media
and
or
clicks
on
Pay.
your website.
They're
SendOwl
immediately
also
taken
has
to
a
the
nice
download
quick
page
sell
where
link
they can
for
download
sending
your
to
product.
customers
And
you've
that's how
already
quick
sold.
it is to buy
This
with
allows you and
SendOwl.
your customers to outperform the entire shopping cart area, improving conversions and minimizing any consumer frustration. For example, it has upsells that you can attach to every product page, as well as cart abandonment features to bring people back to your site. Advanced mailing list integration is sure to keep your brand in the minds of customers. Not to mention, payment options include Apple Pay, Bitcoin, and bank contact. One of these features allows you to create product bundles so that you can group related products together and encourage more sales. You can also easily create fully trackable coupon codes with full control over redemption based on time frame, specific products, or expenses. Many of these may be most useful to SendOwl's built-in affiliate system. This system allows you to register and manage people interested in selling your products for a commission. As anyone familiar with online affiliate marketing operations knows, it can be difficult and time-consuming enough to create such an operation for a supplier. The SendOwl affiliate system makes it easy for you to offer this service and enjoy the benefits of Salesforce without any ongoing costs. The free trial runs for 30 days and does not require a credit card. Pricing is broken down by whether you are self-hosting, shipping with the standard SendOwl system, or selling subscriptions. The basic plan offers a maximum of 10 products and 1 GB of storage. The standard plan offers a maximum of 30 products and 3 GB of storage. The premium and business plans offer 100 products, 5 GB of storage, and 250 products, and 15 GB of storage respectively. Compared to other shopping cart software for a month, 15 GB of storage and a 250 product line are reasonable, bordering on generous at $39 per month. However, the basic option costs $9 a month, and this is amazing. Keep in mind that this level is good enough for you to actually use the product at this price.